did was go, oh!
Okay. We have been laughing for, it's 3:30 in the morning. We've been laughing since 1:30, since this one wiped out.
Without gloves.
Okay, I am in tears over this. This is the funniest thing that has ever happened in my entire life. Is seeing Tanya fly past me.
Arms out. Superman pose.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we can barely see the road. She's driving. I can barely see. But you just missed it. Good 2 hours of non-stop laughing, and we are sore from laughing.
Yes.
And
we are.
she's sore from falling.
I'm sore from falling and sore from laughing. And I didn't even see it.
Oh my. Okay. Good night.